Yung isa sigurong pwede ho nating madagdag dito po sa committee report ay a separate penalty for schools or for individuals who are defrauding our students. Pwede ho tayo maglagay ng iba pang penalty kasi ang kinakaso po ninyo, syndicated estafa. In fact, baka nga falsification of commercial documents lang, yun yung nakita ko sa presentation nyo. But maybe in this bill, we can include the penalties for those who will do fraudulent behavior. Kasi pag niyanakaw po natin pera na dapat na pupunta sa mga kabataan, parang ibang level po yun ng kasamaan. So maybe we can recommend in our committee report, in our version, separate penalty for those who are defrauding government and using this voucher system. We will recommend that for the committee report and I hope I can get the support of our colleagues para kung sino man ang magtatangka na gumawa ng masamang bagay gamit ang sistemang ito, gamit ang pera ng DepEd, magdadalawang isip dahil merong separate na penalty na pwedeng isama. No? Itaas natin yung penalties na yun.